Hey guys, and welcome to Cigar Box. Today we have another unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the Partagas D4. This is Partagas' Robusto and probably their most sought after cigar from the series, from the regular series. This is a Series D4 and this is a box of 10. This box is from July 2024, so it's almost 1 year old at the time of filming this video. These cigars were purchased in the La Casa de Habano in Gibraltar. As you can see over here, they always have the Hunters and Francow sticker, but this is a very different sticker to all the other ones. And I find the La Casa de Habano in Gibraltar one of the most cheapest places to source your cigars. I paid for this box £170. Whereas here in the UK I'll probably pay around 360. So definitely worth, if you're around in the area, to go and pop in. They also have a website. I'll put the website and the link in the description below, and you can buy these cigars from there. Let's open them up and have a look. So as you can see, this box is really nice. These cigars are 50 ring gauge by 4 7/8 in length. They're just magnificent. These are full body cigars and they're the most sought after cigar from the series by Partagas. This is a Robusto, and these are incredible cigars, and when they age they really pop out with their cedarwood coffee flavor, which really oozes out and really is really enjoyable to smoke. I believe these have a smoke time around between 45 minutes to an hour, depending on how long you smoke them. And the nice thing about these are these come in box of 10 and box of 25, which is nice if you don't want to spend too much money right now and you just want to buy just I'll call this a sampler box, a sample of a few of these. And the fact that the box is made out of wood is something quite nice and something that will help the aging of the cigars. But nonetheless, these are just incredible to have, and I think every person who smokes cigars would love to have one of these in his collection. And they've become ridiculously outpriced in countries like Switzerland or in the UK. These cigars never used to be so expensive, but in recent years, due to their popularity, they've become insanely expensive. So that's why I was quite happy to find them at a good price. And the price of these will just keep going up and up. So my advice is, if you are able to get your hands on a box of these, definitely get one, because they're not going to get any cheaper. If you guys like the video, please like, share and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.